high functioning autism, Asperger syndrome, borderline savants, applied linguistics, sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics.
So I've heard you speak about spectrum disorders like autism, global consciousness.
Excited, actually, you know.
Well, yeah, to start, why don't you go ahead and tell the audience at home a little bit about yourself?
Just to give the acronym a sort of peculiarity. So linguistics has different branches outside being bilingual and trilingual and the study of different.
Of incongruity, where they sort of merge all these incompatibilities and creates a sort of...
Introduce you because you're quite a guy.
Yeah.
First off, your name is Atelston Fitzgerald Holder the First.
Yes, sir.
And your I think it's your nickname.